Welcome to another episode here on Your Digital Makeover. My name is Jerry Colbert, and in today's episode, we're going to talk about priorities inside of TickTick. So let's get started. So as you see here, I have opened up here on my desktop TickTick, and we're going to talk about prioritizing your tasks. Now, if you all have been watching any of my other episodes, I have kind of briefly gone into prioritizing, but I did want to go over it in more detail today and show you how I typically prioritize my task and why it's kind of important to do so. As you see here, I have a today view, and I have some of these colors next to it. And some of these tasks, like this one here, is colored with a red, an orange, a blue, or a clear priority. Red is the highest priority. Orange is medium priority. Blue is low priority. And of course, nothing or transparent is no priority. So when you create a new task, like for instance, if I say, I want to wash my car today, okay? If I put that in there, I can, if I choose, right click and make a priority out of it or not a priority at all. And the idea behind it is some tasks are more important than other tasks. But the cool thing about having these 4 types of priorities is that it works really well with the Eisenhower matrix. And if you look over here in the TickTick, in the Eisenhower matrix, this is what it looks like. Red is urgent and important. Orange is not urgent and important. Blue is urgent and unimportant. And then, of course, no flag is basically this green, not urgent and unimportant. Okay? Now, you can move things around to different areas in here, depending on the urgency. And I usually will tag things whenever I first put them into TickTick as what kind of urgency they are. And sometimes I won't if I know they're not that important. But they might become important later on whenever I do my daily review or when I'm doing my weekly review. Okay? So when I'm planning out my day in the morning, sometimes I might make something urgent that wasn't actually urgent to begin with. Just never know. And it's really easy. I just right click and choose whatever flag it is. Maybe I don't think that this one belongs here, so I can drag it over there to that area. It's really neat and easy to tag your items with whatever flag you want, whether that's a priority flag, red or orange or blue or no priority, okay? Also, coincidentally, if you go over here, you can also tag it over here as well, okay? You can also go to your calendar view, right-click on it, and tag it there as well, whatever priority that you wanted, right? Maybe I want to change this one to a blue now, priority. And maybe I want to drag it down here to the spot that I want it in, and I say I want to do it in. Or maybe I want to do it here. And that is some of the ways that you can actually prioritize tasks right here in TickTick. So I hope you all enjoyed this short little episode. And if you did, don't forget to hit the like button right down below. And if you want to see more of these videos in the near future, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. And with that being said, I want to wish you all a wonderful week. And I'll catch you next episode. Take care. Bye.